Welcome to Cybersecurity Clinic. Explore top-notch cybersecurity training courses, seminars, and consulting services, specialized for medium to large business organizations, and all is powered by Tonex.
The Tonex Cybersecurity Clinic offers a variety of workshops and clinics that teach individuals and organizations how to protect their digital assets.
The clinic offers a variety of workshops, including Introduction to Cybersecurity, Hands-on Hacking, Secure Coding Practices, Incident Response and Forensics, Social Engineering Awareness, Cybersecurity for Businesses, Secure Mobile Computing, and so on.
The Tonex Cybersecurity Clinic is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn more about cybersecurity. The workshops are led by experienced professionals who are passionate about helping people protect their digital assets. Learn who should attend. Here are some of the people who should attend the Tonex Cybersecurity Clinic. Individuals who want to learn more about cybersecurity. The clinic offers a variety of workshops that cover the basics of cybersecurity, as well as more advanced topics, such as hands-on hacking and secure coding practices. Businesses of all sizes. The clinic offers workshops that specifically address the unique challenges faced by small businesses, as well as larger organizations.
Also, IT professionals. The clinic offers workshops that teach IT professionals how to protect their organization's digital assets. Government agencies. The clinic offers workshops that teach government agencies how to protect their sensitive data. If you are interested in learning more about cybersecurity, I encourage you to check out the Tonex Cybersecurity Clinic. The workshops are a great way to learn about the latest threats and best practices, and they can help you protect your digital assets. Request more information. Sign up as a group. Visit Tonex website, www.tonex.com.